Just imagine if I tell you that the world's fastest growing EV company, BYD, not only makes batteries, but also builds its own hybrid engines, and that too, inside such secret and high-tech factories where a new engine is ready in just a few minutes. But the real question is, where are these engines actually made? Is it just one factory, or are multiple hidden locations working behind it? And the bigger thing, what is so special about BYD's hybrid engine that makes it different from other companies? You must have heard a lot about Tesla and other EV companies, but BYD has quietly created a system where engine, battery, and motor all work together as one powerful combo. And that is the reason why today BYD's hybrid cars are spreading so fast across the world. But the real game starts inside the factory, where from raw metal to the final engine, every step uses technology that you have probably never seen before. And in this video, we are going to show you all of that, the complete inside truth, step-by-step process, and those hidden factories where these engines are made, and how this is giving tough competition to companies like Toyota and Tesla. Before moving ahead in the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can watch such videos first. Now, let's talk about BYD's hybrid engines. Where are these engines actually made? BYD prepares most of its hybrid powertrain in China itself. Behind this is its subsidiary, FinDreams Powertrain. This company specifically handles the production of engines, motors, transmissions, and the complete hybrid system. BYD has built this system so strong that it does not need to depend on any external company. Now let's come to the main factories. BYD has several big plants in China. First is Shenzhen. This is the headquarters area of BYD. This is where the company started, and even today, research, development, and some production lines run here. The Shenzhen plant is very advanced, where new ideas are tested. Then comes the Zhengzhou Mega Factory. This plant is truly mind-blowing, so big that it feels like an entire city. Here, a car gets ready every few seconds. Along with hybrid model assembly, powertrain components are also made here. The level of automation in Zhengzhou is very high. Robots can be seen working day and night. The Xi'an plant is also very important. It has a yearly capacity of around 900,000 vehicles. Engines and complete systems for hybrid SUVs and sedans are prepared here. In Changsha too, a strong production line for hybrid vehicles is running. This plant in Hunan province is known for skilled workers and good facilities. The Hefei plant is new but growing very fast. Overall, BYD has around 8 to 9 major vehicle production bases in China where hybrid components are made. Now, the biggest thing, vertical integration. What does that mean? BYD has kept everything in its own hands under one roof. Everything from raw material to finished powertrain is prepared internally, making the engine block, winding the electric motor, assembling the blade battery pack, fitting the gearbox. Everything happens in one place. There is no need to import parts from other companies. Because of this, costs stay low, quality control becomes easy, and there are no supply chain issues. See, most companies depend on suppliers. Engine from one place, battery from another, motor from somewhere else. But BYD has built its own complete ecosystem. That is why it is able to make such affordable and efficient hybrid cars. Now let's talk about global expansion. BYD is no longer limited to China. It has opened a new plant in Brazil, where local hybrid models are being assembled. Production is also running in Thailand and Uzbekistan. New plants are being built in Hungary and Turkey. In these places, cars are assembled. But the core hybrid engines and powertrains still mainly come from China because the infrastructure, technology, and scale there are the best. In the future, local engine manufacturing might also start in these regions. But for now, the entire system depends on these big factories in China. And these factories are not just big, but also smart. AI, robotics, and digital monitoring are used everywhere so that every engine comes out perfect. Production scale. How many are produced annually? Now, let's talk about the real numbers. How big is the production of BYD's hybrid engines and powertrains? Hearing this might blow your mind. In 2008, BYD launched the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid car, the BYD F3DM. From that time till now, meaning by 2026, BYD has produced more than 7.7 million PHEV vehicles. That means over 7.7 million hybrid cars, and this number is increasing every year. In the last few years, BYD has picked up massive speed. In 2025, the company produced and sold more than 4.6 million new energy vehicles, EVs, plus hybrids. At every step, AI and sensors are installed. Cameras and laser sensors scan parts, and even the smallest mistake gives an instant alert. One of the most interesting things is digital twin technology. which means a virtual model of the real machine is created in the computer even before production starts. Virtual testing is done to see where problems can come, which saves both time and material. Engine testing, battery performance, and full powertrain checks are done through automated systems. Data goes to the cloud in real time, and if any issue is seen, the line is stopped immediately and fixed, which is why their cars are considered very reliable. Now let's talk about challenges and future plans. A big company like BYD does not have small challenges, but it is handling them quite smartly. First, understand the challenges. Then we will see the future plans. The first thing is supply chain. BYD's biggest strength is that most of its work is under its own control, from raw material to final car. Still, the prices of battery materials like lithium, nickel, and cobalt keep going up and down worldwide. Supply inside China is strong, but at a global level, if any political issue or trade restriction happens, it can create some problems. Still, the company is already prepared in its own way. It is working with multiple suppliers, moving into mining in some places, and also recycling old batteries to reuse materials. Now, coming to future plans, the company has a clear plan. Increase local manufacturing in the next 2 to 3 years. It is preparing full production setups in Brazil, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Local suppliers are being found, workers are being trained, so that costs can be reduced and cars can be built according to each market. In hybrid technology also, upgrades are happening fast. In new DMI generations, both range and efficiency will increase, and driving above 2,000 kilometers will become possible. The engine will become even smaller and more efficient, the motor more powerful, and software updates will keep coming over the air so that even old cars feel updated. Work is also going on for flex fuel engines in some markets like ethanol petrol mix in Brazil. For off-road capability, focus is increasing on new platforms. In terms of technology, the company is not behind. In the coming time, advanced driver assistance systems and Level 2+ autonomy features will also be seen in hybrids. AI-based energy management systems will become smarter, which will automatically decide how to use the battery and engine based on driving conditions. The company is also focusing on sustainability, increasing the use of green energy, and improving recycling so that it can move towards carbon-neutral production in the future. Talking about competition, Tesla, Toyota, and many local brands are in the field. But BYD is moving ahead because of its speed, cost advantage, and new technology. In the coming time, if local manufacturing increases, hybrid cars can become even more affordable in markets like India, Europe, and Latin America. With new DMI technology, range, performance, and efficiency will improve even more. It is clear that the company is not just making cars, but changing the way mobility works. There are challenges, but their solutions are also being prepared at the same time. In the coming years, BYD can give even bigger surprises. If you are thinking about the future of hybrid cars, then it is clear that this technology is going to stay for a long time, especially in developing markets. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel right now and press the bell icon. You will keep getting such informative videos first. See you in the next video. Till then, buy and drive safe.